Nathan, look at what Nathan doing. You're taking care of the bird. You're the bird man, the black bird man of Black Sand Beach. Nathan is having so much fun with the beautiful bird of happiness, the French dove of happiness. They're enjoying Little Black Sand Beach. It's very magical here today. Nathan is playing the Birdman, the protector. Right, Nathan? You're the Birdman of Shelter Cove, of Little Black Sand Beach. Look at, they're so happy, the bird. Nathan is protecting them. Right, Nathan? Birdman of Shelter Cove. Are you Birdman? Yeah. So beautiful.